Joy with Joy's Happy Hobbies. Hello, hello. I'm glad you're joining me today. And I got my glass of wine here to just have a little fun. And I'm sure it's 5 o'clock somewhere where you guys are. So 5 o'clock somewhere. Okay, it's like, what, 3:30 here? So it's close enough. So go ahead and pull up a chair and watch me unbag some Happy Mail. This one is from Stacy, Travis, Lady Lathe Customs and Design. Why do I always have problems with her name? I don't know. Anyway, sorry. Sorry, Stacy. Anyway, let's get this open. I ordered 2 pens. Yeah, I couldn't resist myself again after just showing the one. One is kind of like a me please type of sale, and one of them is a custom that she worked on for me for quite a while and finally got it done. It's my Valentine pen, but I can use it all year and next year, anytime I want. It's pretty. So I'm going to take these things out one at a time because I know she's got some extra goodies in there. So let's see what we can find in here. Alright, well, there's a lot of little angel hair cellophane in here, so it looks like an Easter package. Alright, let's take, okay, we got an egg. Okay, I'm going to lay that aside. And what else do we got in here? Okay, so here's, oh, okay, so going to put that aside. Lots of goodies in there. Here's the pens, all right. And I think I know which one is which. I think this one is the Valentine one. Oh, we got more stuff in here. Oh, and a little box. Okay, we'll lay that out there. Anything else? Oh, one more thing in here, I think. And a sucker. Look at that, a sucker. I'm a sucker for suckers. That was bad, I know. Anyway, let's clear some of this tinsel or cellophane or Easter stuff out of the way here. Well, maybe not. It'll look pretty. Kind of shine the table up. Okay, so we are going, where should we start? Where should we start? Okay, let's see what's in the egg, all right? Let's see what's in the egg. So now I gotta undo the tape, so I hope it's gonna be easy to undo. Okay, let's see what's in here. She sends good packages too. Maybe that's why I order from her so much. Is I like her, I love her pens, and I just like the little extras that she sends along. So let's get the tape off of here. Okay, so I'm going to pause here. I'm going to take a drink of my wine. Hey, you guys have a sip too. Okay, might get goofy here, but that's all the fun. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, chocolate. Look at that. Ooh, Easter chocolates. Look at that. Ooh, neat, 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 neat. You know who loves those? You know who loves these things? My husband. See? Whoops, you missed one. You missed one. Don't you want this one?
Sure.
My husband Mike loves chocolate. He's a candy holic, cookie holic, all that stuff. A dessert holic. So that was cool. Nice little Easter present. Okay, and we got the sucker. I already showed you that. Alright. And I can hear my dogs outside in the front barking. They must see somebody riding by. Alright, let's take this out. Okay. One by one here. It's going to be a little long video because I'm going to go through everything. So thank you for supporting my small business. There you go. And nothing on the back of that one, but that's a pretty card, Stacy. Really pretty. Thank you for supporting my business. And here is his and hers diamond painting pens and stainless tips. Okay, she is sending me this because I told her I don't use stainless steel tips. but I'm going to try it now. And here's the other side of the card. Okay, Colleen Herzina. All right. So if you want to stop frame, you can stop it and see what all the information is. His and hers Facebook. Colleen, thank you for supporting her business. Okay, I don't have my magnifiers on, so it's hard for me to read. But isn't that a pretty card? That's pretty, huh? Okay, set that aside. Okay, let's see what's in this bag here. Okay, the first thing I'm going to pull out. Okay, it's cover minder. She knows I use a slanted board, an easel. Look at that. How Eastery is that? Isn't that pretty? Butterflies. You know, I'm doing a painting right now called Madam Butterfly, and this is going to go on as a cover minder. Yep, I'm going to definitely start using this today. Okay, it's this. This is a small diamond painting pen. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that cool? Almost looks like a... Not kidding. I had to do that. Anyway, that is pretty. Look at that. Okay, isn't that pretty? All right. Oh, that was just an extra little thing there. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And then what's this? Oh, another cover minder. It's got all the magnets. Look how pretty. Look how it sparkles. Yes, I've got plenty of paintings that I can use this with. And these things come in so handy because I'm always forgetting which one, you know, that I have laying around. This is a trash bowl or anything else you want to use it for. But I love these. I have several of them and I use them. Okay, well that is cool. I just like this. Isn't that neat? Little tiny pen. Okay, oh, I need another glass of wine. Here we go. Your alcoholic YouTube creator. Okay, here we go. Let's try to get this one open. And I think I might know what this is because she showed it to me online on a message that she was going to send it to me. But it'd be nice to really see it in person. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take this out. Put that over there. Oh, I love her teas that she sends. This one's mint. And I think I had one from her before, and it was really, really good. So her teas are good. I love tea. I always drink tea. And another, oh, a new sticker. I think this is a sticker. Is this a sticker, Stacy? And that's got her logo on it. There we go. Yes, I love stickers. I think so. Okay, we're going to put this on something. Now, what's in the box? What's in this little box? Let's open it. I think these are those pen buddies. Yes, they are. Looky, looky. Can you see that? Am I too close? It's a pen buddy. Oh, look at that. See? That is so neat, isn't it? Okay, I'm going to grab a pen. Hold on, I'm going to... Honey, you want to grab me one of those diamond painting pens? Oh, heck, I should wait until I open up hers. No. I'll wait till I get hers open and then I'll put it on there. But this is a flower. I love flowers. Okay. And if you see me keep turning like this, I'm looking at my laptop, making sure it's in focus. Okay. Very neat. I love this box. I love the box. Look at that. Isn't that a pretty box? So, let's get to... I just like all that stuff. Just like it. Okay. So this one I think is the auction pen that I me pleased for. I'd won the right to buy it. And it's just beautiful. It's very springy. And it's beautiful springtime here now in Washington. All my bulbs are coming up, and I have amaryllis in my kitchen window, budding for the second time. Can you believe that? So, and I've got my Oriental lilies. smell really good. Those will be coming up mid-summer. But you can see the sprouts coming up now. All right, let me get this open. She wraps her stuff really good, everybody. She really wraps her stuff good. Okay. So, let's get this open. Yeah, one day I'm gonna try to do a live, but I've still been too afraid to do that. On these recordings, you can delete it and start again if you make a mistake, if you don't like it. Look at this. This is the pen that I won the right to buy. Look how pretty that is. This is beautiful, Stacy. And she turns these. She gets the blanks and she turns these. And I think this one is from Don Van Dyke. If I'm wrong, Stacy, please put it in the comment section who it really is. But I think I remember that. I don't know. I hope I'm right. But look at it. Look at it. It's got these chips in there of glass. Little glass chips that are iridescent. And the ends are, I said this reminded me of orange juice because it's got the pulp in there. It looks like pulp. She said it was yellow, but you know, I'm saying, okay, orange juice, same thing. But it looks like it's got the pulp in there, so it looks like orange juice. It really makes me thirsty when I look at it. That is gorgeous. Here.
Another sip of wine.
Another sip of wine, my husband says. Okay, so I'm going to put that on the end, and look, isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. So the person that I had her card, his and hers, or no, it's who did the little bunny, the pen buddy? I can't remember. Oh, Donna Bass. Donna Bass did these. Isn't that cool? So if you have, like, sometimes I'm doing squares and I don't multi-place on squares, I can have my little pen buddy on there, my diamond pen buddy. Okay, that is really cool. Beautiful pen. I will have the link to Stacy's Facebook in the description box, so you can watch her and see all the beautiful pens that she makes. I like other pens, but I see hers the most, and I like what she does. So I think I have like 5 pens of hers now, or 6. Yeah, I think I showed on one of my other opening videos of hers, I showed all the pens I have from her. So these are going to be added to that, and I'm probably going to need to buy another pen holder, and I think Stacy, you know who I'm talking about, because I'm running out of room already. I just ordered a new one, and I'm already.
You got 2 slots left.
I have what?
2 slots left.
Oh, I have 2. My husband Mike says I have 2 slots left on the pen, so just perfect, huh? Don't have to spend any more money right now. Okay, this is her custom. I got to tell you, just the brief glance at it, I love it. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. This was the Valentine pen. Isn't that, I love this part in it. I love this beautiful part here, this blue. And there's the hearts in there. And she had done, oh, look at the little heart bling right there. Look at the little heart bling. She had done this several times to get it right. And you did perfect. Oh, God, I just love it. Honey, isn't that pretty? Don't you think this is so pretty?
Yes.
Look at it. Isn't that gorgeous?
Isn't that pretty?
This is gorgeous. And I think I'm doing a diamond painting paint along on her Facebook group, and it's flowers. It's I think this will go really pretty with it. So I'm going to use this for that painting. Oh, I keep turning it in my hand. It feels so good. She knows I love the chunky pens. Oh, Stacy, you outdid yourself. Thank you for taking the time on this. You are so special. I just love it. Should I set it down there and just You guys have seen all of it. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take one more last sip. I'm going to get all my advertising out of the way here. My Facebook group, Joy's Diamond Painting and More. If you're a crafty person, diamond painting person, you paint, you make pens, anything to do with crafts or, you know, any craft related items you do, you're welcome to share on my Facebook group. And we'll have that link in the description box. Yeah. So yeah, come on and join. It's not hard to join. You just say join and you're in. And as long you can put YouTubes on there, you can send a YouTube link as long as it's promoting something that you're making, okay, or something that you sell. I don't want people to promote their own YouTube page or channel just to promote them, because I have my own and I want people to watch mine. Okay, so thank you for the subscribers, and I've also got a couple of new ones in the last week. I want to say hi to you and just make sure that you're welcomed. And I wish I would remember the names when I get the notifications so I can say it personally. If you're joining me for the first time, Joy's Happy Hobbies, go ahead and click that link down in the description box underneath the video that says subscribe. And there's a little bell attached to it. If you click that, once you subscribed, every time I make a new video, you'll get notified so you won't miss anything. And you never know what I'm going to show. I do all kinds of things. So I guess that's it. And thanks for coming along. Thanks for viewing. And oh, give it a like. There's a like button right down there too. Give it a like. I always like likes, and I always know people are watching. So, okay, that's it. I'm going to talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.